Meal prep made easy. Healthy recipes for the week. Welcome to Fitness Unveiled Hub. Simplify your week with meal prep made easy, featuring nutritious recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Embrace the benefits of planning meals in advance, ensuring a balanced and health-conscious lifestyle. From quinoa salad jars to grilled chicken salad, these recipes offer convenience without compromising on flavor, making it effortless to maintain your wellness goals throughout the week. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Quinoa salad jars. Elevate your meal prep game with quinoa salad jars, a convenient and nutritious option for on-the-go nourishment. In these jars, layer cooked quinoa, vibrant veggies like cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, crumbled feta cheese, and a medley of fresh herbs. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette for added flavor. The result is a visually appealing, well-balanced, and protein-rich meal that stays fresh in portable jars. These jars not only make healthy eating effortless, but also bring a burst of color and variety to your weekly meal plan. Number 9. Hummus and Veggie Snack Box. Transform your snacking routine with the Hummus and Veggie Snack Box, a flavorful and nutritious treat. Fill your compartmentalized box with a generous serving of creamy hummus, paired with crisp cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, and whole grain crackers. This snack box offers a perfect balance of fiber, vitamins, and protein, making it a satisfying and energy-boosting option. Whether at work or on the go, this convenient and delicious snack ensures you satisfy your cravings with wholesome goodness, promoting both taste and health. Number 8. Sweet potato and chickpea curry. Delight your taste buds with the sweet potato and chickpea curry, a comforting and nutritious dish that marries the sweetness of sweet potatoes with the earthy goodness of chickpeas. Sautéed with aromatic spices, tomatoes, and coconut milk, this vegetarian-friendly curry is a symphony of flavors and textures. Packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, it's a wholesome meal that's both satisfying and nourishing. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa for a complete and hearty dining experience that's sure to become a staple in your weekly meal rotation. Savor the robust blend of sweet and savory notes as tender sweet potatoes and chickpeas absorb aromatic spices. This curry promises a wholesome and flavorsome journey with each comforting bite. Number 7. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Elevate your dining experience with baked salmon paired with roasted vegetables, a feast for both the palate and body. Succulent salmon fillets are oven-baked to perfection, preserving their natural richness in omega-3 fatty acids. Alongside, a colorful medley of roasted vegetables adds depth and nutritional value to this dish. Bursting with antioxidants and essential nutrients, this meal not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also supports overall well-being. Effortlessly combining simplicity with gourmet appeal, this dish is a delightful celebration of health and flavor on every plate. Number 6. Greek yogurt parfait. Indulge in the delightful Greek yogurt parfait, a layered masterpiece that tantalizes the senses and nurtures your well-being. Begin with velvety Greek yogurt as the base, then add a symphony of textures with crunchy granola, a medley of mixed berries, and a drizzle of golden honey. This parfait not only delivers a delicious blend of sweet and tart flavors, but also provides a protein-packed, probiotic-rich treat. Elevate your snack game or savor it for breakfast. Either way, the Greek yogurt parfait is a delightful journey into wholesome and satisfying goodness. Indulge in the Greek yogurt parfait, a luscious blend of creamy yogurt, crunchy granola, and mixed berries. This parfait not only satisfies your sweet cravings, but also offers a protein-packed, probiotic-rich treat for a delightful and nutritious experience. Number 5. Turkey and quinoa stuffed peppers. Immerse yourself in the savory delight of turkey and quinoa stuffed peppers, a culinary masterpiece that seamlessly blends lean protein and nutrient-packed quinoa. Ground turkey, cooked to perfection with aromatic spices, combines with quinoa for a hearty filling. The peppers, roasted to a tender perfection, encapsulate this flavorful ensemble. Bursting with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, this dish is a nutritional powerhouse. The colorful peppers not only add visual appeal, but also provide an antioxidant boost. Elevate your dining experience with this wholesome fusion that excites the taste buds and supports a healthy lifestyle. These stuffed peppers, rich in protein and fiber, provide a satisfying and colorful meal. Enjoy a burst of flavors and essential nutrients in every bite, promoting both taste and well-being. Number 4. Overnight oats with berries. Simplify your mornings with overnight oats adorned with a vibrant array of berries, a delicious and nutritious way to kickstart your day. Combine rolled oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of sweetness, then refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top this creamy concoction with a medley of fresh berries. Packed with fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, this breakfast not only delights your taste buds, but also fuels your day with sustained energy. Say goodbye to hectic mornings and embrace a wholesome breakfast that's both convenient and scrumptious. Number 3. Veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Embark on a culinary journey with veggie stir-fry paired with nutrient-rich brown rice, a feast that marries vibrant flavors and health benefits. Saute an array of colorful vegetables in a wok, creating a tantalizing blend of textures and tastes. Serve over nutty brown rice, creating a perfect harmony of fiber and essential nutrients. This vegetarian delight not only satisfies the palate, but also supports your well-being with antioxidants and vitamins. Immerse yourself in this wholesome stir-fry, a delightful and nutritious addition to your weekly menu. Number 2. Grilled chicken salad. Elevate your lunch with the grilled chicken salad, a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. Succulent grilled chicken takes center stage, perfectly complemented by a vibrant ensemble of mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a balsamic vinaigrette dressing. This salad not only delights your senses with its crunch and freshness, but also delivers a protein punch, aiding in muscle repair and satiety. Enjoy a guilt-free and delicious meal that brings together nutrition and indulgence in every delightful bite. Number 1. Quinoa Breakfast Bowl. Revitalize your mornings with the Quinoa Breakfast Bowl, a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors. Cooked quinoa serves as the hearty base, adorned with a colorful array of fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. This protein-rich bowl not only jumpstarts your day with sustained energy, but also provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. Say goodbye to bland breakfasts and embrace a delicious fusion that not only excites your taste buds, but also nourishes your body, setting a vibrant tone for the day ahead. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.